So, y'all, we vlogging. We had a little foot pursuit or something like that of some sort. And my phone got left. So we at ATT right now, trying to put a SIMS card in this phone. It's so much of a problematic situation because I'm vlogging now off this phone. But a minute ago, I took the phone to the phone store to replace the charger port, charge outlet. That wasn't working. So right now, what we're doing is, like I said, at AT&T now, getting a SIMS card for this phone so I can at least have my number. But we still need the 13 Pro for all our content, all my business details, and all the important stuff, right? But at least we got a phone now, some sort of communication. So that's what's going on now. That's where we at. And yeah, we'll catch up. We'll catch it back. Hey, look, just like this, y'all.
Yeah,
so
I am.
We at this little park at Baytown, something like that. The gang in here, y'all. Look at this. We packed. Escalade. Hey, okay. So look, this is what we finna do. We finna go fishing. See all these fishing poles? Yeah, that's what we finna do. That's exactly what we finna do.
Hold that weed down, please.
Can't say that on camera, man.
No. Everything is props.
Yeah, everything is props. Who hungry?
Hope you don't act all dirty, gotta hide their drink.
Oh man, they trying to treat us like elementary students.
We still drinking. Yours in the can.
Man, y'all, man, listen here. This
here, you ever see it, so.
Bro, let's
roll,
roll,
in the cup, and then get back.
Let's roll, Jack. Let's roll, Jack. I think I'm gonna get back to the water. When we get over by the water in our fishing spot. Yeah, that's what's cool. Doc, brother cut up a nice little piece of squid. He dropped it right there by the post so he could get a fish hiding like a ghost. Good wind noise, good wind noise. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Saw a little bullet. You got the action. Let me see. They got legs. Let me see. What? Let me see. Hold it up a little bit.
This is the catfish.
Oh no, yeah. He got a muddy head. They tore it halfway, boy. Drop it in a little bit. Drop it in. They ain't gonna come out of the water.
They gonna come back.
Nah, you gotta leave it in there. You gotta leave it in there. He talking about fish tried to bite me. A fish took half his fish and went away. You gotta leave it. It gonna come back. This is funny, guys. It's
They gotta start coming up and start biting.
This is what's going on, dudes. Bro, nobody caught no fish. We caught a couple of baby catfish. I ain't getting them on camera. Let me see. Look, right after I look. Let me see, look. Let me see. Let me get him more HD. You lying, you looking at your own fish talking about like he coming back.
I say he came back.
Let me see him.
Look, he just came back. Look,
Oh yeah, I see it. Keep it right there, keep it right there, keep it right there, keep it right there. So gonna get it, look. Yeah, you gotta drop it in a little bit. Drop it in. Yeah, leave it in there a little bit. Leave it in there.
Still, he right there.
Look, catfish trying to get it back.
He really coming over here, biting on that fish.
Yeah, let me try to do it again. Look. Let me see him throw it. Let me see him throw the pole. Yeah, that dark skin with the diamonds in his ear. What your TikTok is? Dark skin earring. Yo, we out here road fishing, throwing it in. Man, why you take my squid out of the water? Oh, we had a little prawn eating it. No, I'm playing. This is catfish, y'all. Should I step on it? I ain't gonna do that. No, look at it. Y'all want to keep it? No. Y'all want it? Damn. Oh, he gotta get away, y'all. Hey, y'all, these things will poke the hell out you. Y'all see them things? They'll move the shit out you, so I don't want to grab it. This was on there? Huh, bite it. Bite it.
Watch it, look at it.
You might catch another one. They went in the water. Choo. Like one taking right now. Is it? No, you had a fish on there. That's why it's another one. He just came on. Man, look, you catching baby fish. That don't count. But that's something, y'all. Something to see. Y'all want to see one big fish or a few baby fish? Just saw like 2 big baby fish. There's another one on there. Oh, you got 2 of them, 3 of them. Oh, they just sucking on the antennas.
This one look like little brown.
That's funny. There's another one on it already again. Look at them. They're not letting them go. I guess if you leave it like that, something big gonna come get it. Look, they still stuck on there. Oh no, you probably got him on there. The people text. Yeah, we caught about 10 fish already. Nothing that count, but we caught about 10, for sure. For sure. Look, that's 20 more. Hey, he cheated. He caught more fish than everybody. But no, you gotta land them. Huh? Hey, we keep on catching right here. Come pitch your bait right here. Oh? Uh-huh, gotcha. Gotcha. Strip the hook. Look, no squid.
I got that.
Oh, man. Some fish is very happy now. Don't stretch. Maybe some on there. Well, yeah, he caught about 10 fish over there. He got about 10 baby fish right here. Look, this is the hot spot right here, dude. Right here. Right here, hot spot. We got a mud on there. Right here.
Nah, he going to the bottom.
Right here. Look, you gotta pull up a little bit. You gotta step right there at the top. Yeah, keep it about a foot in. You gonna see and they gonna start eating it. Oh, look right there. Boom, you got one already. Dude caught one before you. Oh, look, y'all see what's going on.
Can't bite that,
Look, oh yeah, that's nah. That was one that he had a mullet. Catfish down there was tearing them up. Why y'all don't have a baby hook or something? Well, that's enough catching for now. Let's watch him do another. See what you do with it. That's all right. That's what you do with it. Let's see. Dark skin with earrings. Let's see. With earrings. Hey, I say I got earrings. I don't got that neither. I pissed my ass a long time. Hey. I don't know. I'm waiting to see if it's a no. Okay, I saw it there. Nah, leave it. Stop. You really that way you don't catch nothing. Good. You over here steady grabbing the poles like something else. Yeah, like what are you doing, sir? Like, sir, what are you actually doing, sir? You trying to find out where they at. Look, it's nothing on there. Like, you should have left that right there where it was supposed to be. Look at him. Okay, a little splash, baby dolphin. Said little splash, baby dolphin. Oh yeah, where you at? Okay. Moving down, moving on. Look, what? You got a little pan. What you got on there? What you got? Oh, nothing. I don't know what I'm watching. Man, it's too much wind out here. It's something. It's too much fresh water. We ain't caught nothing.